you can see what is pulsating magnetic field. The question arises, pulsating magnetic field is produced when the stator winding of single phase induction motor is energized by a single phase supply, guys. And the word pulsating means that the field builds up in one direction, falls to zero, and then builds up in the opposite direction. Okay, this is the video. You can see what is pulsating magnetic field, and this is related to single phase winding. So when single phase winding is provided with single phase supply, then pulsating magnetic field is created. Okay, that is called pulsating magnetic field or alternate magnetic field, not the rotating magnetic field. Here you can see the voltage at phase A and flux is pulsating. This is the vector formation. The phasor formation is shown. The pulsating field change in magnitude, you can see over here. You can again see the change in magnitude taking place at the same axis. Okay, at the same axis. So it is called pulsating magnetic field. And this is tilted at shifted 120 degrees. Okay, same phenomena is occurring. The flux at phase C changeable in magnitude, shifted by 120 degree. Again, and this is third phase. Okay, there are three phase R, Y, B, and this one in the next phase. So pulsating field is there. Okay, and now this is when three phases are there, then rotating magnetic field is developed. Okay, so in case of single phase, you can see here, this is rotating magnetic field. When three phases are there, the resultant is rotating. And second question arises, what is a rotating magnetic field? Okay, so guys, when three phases are associated and they are displaced, mechanically displaced at 120 degree phase shift apart, then a rotating magnetic field is developed. So what happens? These are the three phase, you already know, R, Y, B, and these are the three coils placed, mechanically placed, and were at 120 degree apart. And now what happens? You can define a rotating magnetic field is magnetic field which rotates in space about some point or axis. The north and south poles continuously rotates with a specific speed called synchronous speed, and that is given by ns rpm 120 f1 by p, and where rotation changes direction at a constant angular rate, but the amount of flux remains constant. And what happens, guys? The time angle displacement between the current, okay, phase shift means phase shift between currents, and the space angle displacement between the windings axis must be equal. Okay, so this is called rotating magnetic field. You can see here, rotating magnetic field is always produced whenever there are three phases are associated and three phases are apart 120 degree phase displacement. Okay, and you can see the waveform of polyphase supply. This is the waveform of polyphase supply produced. Okay, and here you can see very important point, how rotating field is produced. The condition is this. You can see what are the conditions for generation of rotating magnetic field. So when a balanced polyphase current flows in the balanced polyphase winding like this, R, this is the R phase, this is Y phase, and this is B phase, and all the three windings or all the three phases are displaced at 120 degree apart. Okay, this is the necessary condition for generation of rotating field. Okay, the time angle displacement between the current and space angle displacement between the winding axis must be equal. That should be equal, and this is the important condition for generation of rotating magnetic field between first and second phase and first and third phase. So keep the 120-degree angle between first and second, and between first and third keep 240-degree angle. So now you can see this is called rotating magnetic field. Okay, because you know what is rotating magnetic field, because whenever the three phases are at 120 degree, here you can see RYB at 120 degree, then rotating magnetic field can be produced. So this is now the poles are rotating. Okay, poles are rotating. So this is called rotating magnetic field, and this is the black one is the resultant vector. Okay, and it is rotating. So you can produce rotating magnetic field by changing the coil positions, and if you change or alter the coil positions, there will be some change in the behavior of magnetic field. Okay, you can change like this, you can see the change. Okay, you can see the change in magnetic behavior. Okay, so this is the position, and also you can see by changing the phase shift. Okay, you can see, and if you alter, okay, this is the reverse direction. You have changed the angle phase shift between first and third 120 degree, and between first and second 240 degree. So the direction of magnetic field is reversed. Okay, you can also reverse, change this between phase shift between 1 and second keep 120 degree, and between 1 and third 240 degree. So see this, the direction of rotating field is changed. It becomes, you can see this is the anti-clockwise. This is the anti-clockwise, and when you, okay, 120 degree na, okay, this is anti-clockwise, and when you keep the phase shift 240 degree between first and second, and between 1 and third 120 degree, then you can see the direction of rotating magnetic field is changed, and it becomes clockwise. You can see, guys, this is the vector formation. Resultant vector is black.